So believe it or not, what happened with ADA price yesterday was, I think, almost necessary. So you might think that sounds kind of weird, but I want to talk to you guys about why that is. Now, don't get me wrong. I view this as a huge opportunity. Like many of you, I bought more yesterday. People that wanted 24, 25, 26 cents, you got it. Great. This is awesome. I didn't even think that it would happen again, to be honest with you. We've had this conversation many times. I said that I thought it would take, some kind of black swan event or some really negative press to really bring us down to this levels. And that essentially is what happened. This was kind of a weird black swan event that still really doesn't have any justification, but that's neither here nor there. So we had been creating this downtrend, right? This bearish trend line here. And we needed to do one of two things. We needed to either break to the upside or we needed to break to the downside. Now, the problem with breaking to the upside here is there really just wasn't much to push us above this long-term trend line that we've had, this long-term descending descending wedge that we've been creating basically since the top of the last bull market cycle. You guys can obviously see how long that has in fact been playing out. And we just didn't have that gusto. We didn't have that momentum to push to the upside. So the best thing to do here was probably in fact to push to the downside and test our support levels and see if we could in fact hold those levels. And it looks like, in fact, we did. Obviously, we did have a wick down to, about mid 24 cents, which is fine. But right now you see the support that we're showing above this 26 cent level. Okay, that's a very key thing here. Now, we don't really know what's going to happen over the next few days. Right now, the market's kind of just settling in here. It's kind of getting its footing. BTC is seeing if it can hold around this 26,000 level. And really right now, there shouldn't be a whole lot to push us further down to the, further to the downside. As always, this is not financial advice, but you got to remember there's not really any of these macro reports that we're waiting on. I mean, apart from, some big liquidations or more bankruptcies or the SEC actually getting approved for an appeal, these are the things that could send us lower. But right now, it just doesn't seem like there's much in the tank to really push us below these levels. You got to understand that the crypto market is actually very strong right now. Okay. We obviously face these we faced these major liquidations yesterday, guys. I apologize. It's morning. I can't speak. But when we look at this BTC chart here, you can see it's been pushed down, many times before. But we are still creating this trend of higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. And right now, again, higher high, higher low. Okay, this is an important point here. We're still continuing to follow the trend on BTC we've been creating throughout the year. It would not surprise me if we caught a very swift rebound, if we liquidated a bunch of shorts and we created a new yearly high for BTC, which would obviously drag up many other assets in the broader crypto market, ADA included. That's where you could see us finally break this long-term trend line and make this push to the upside here. Try to test 40 cents again. It's a level that we tested earlier this year. Obviously, we've talked about many times the things that have brought us down to these levels, but that's kind of what I'm waiting on. I'm hoping we get that push. In the meantime, I'm just going to continue adding to my bag. This doesn't change the direction of Cardano. It doesn't change the long-term direction of ADA. This is just one of those small little steps that you go through, one of those valleys on the way towards the top. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think we are in fact going to stick around here, if you think we're going to, maybe usher in some new lows, or if we're just going to explode to the upside. So appreciate you. Hope you have a great day. Show your love below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.